Juniper berries belongs to a genus that involves 60 to 70 different species. The common name is juniper, also known as juniperi fructus. Juniper berries are classified in the culinary herb spice category because they are commonly used as a flavoring for drinks and in cooking and preserving foods. It is also considered an herbal bitter and is thought to help promote digestion. It has been reported that Native Americans would eat the berries to curb their appetite during times of famine or when food was temporarily unavailable. On the other hand, some say that juniper berry tea helps your appetite if you drink it before a meal. So which is it? Since neither side effect has been clinically studied, neither can be conclusively claimed. Science would suggest what Indians used them for suppressing appetite seems more likely. This is because when we eat bitter foods, we are preconditioned to lose our appetite. Why? Because sometimes bitter foods are poisonous. On the other hand, sweet foods are rarely poisonous. That's one of the reasons we are programmed to like sugary foods. Given the bitter flavor of these berries and in particular, the essential oil, they might very well reduce one's urge to eat.